Good morning class. Today we are going to study about missing frequency question from your exercises. We have done mean, median and mode, all methods, all three central tendencies. Now we come down to missing frequency question. Missing frequency when the frequency is missing in the question. As you can see, we are talking about exercise 14.1, question number 3rd over here. The question says the daily pocket allowance. On page number 270 it says the following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is ₹100. Find missing frequency f. So daily pocket allowance 11 rupees to 13 rupees. How many children get it? 7. From 13 to 15 rupees. How many? 6. 15 to 17. 9. 17 to 19. 13. 19 to 21. F. 21 to 23. 5. And 23 to 25. How much? 4. These are the number of children in locality who get certain amount as their pocket allowance. Now here you can see in the class interval 19 to 21 it is f. That means the frequency is missing. Number of children is missing. We have to find the value of this f. And one more thing is given. What is given? Mean pocket allowance. How much is the mean pocket allowance? 18 rupees. That means mean is given to us. So we will apply the formula for mean. Whenever this kind of question appears in mean, we have done 3 methods for mean. Direct method, assume mean, step deviation. Always do it by direct method. Easiest. So write down the formula. We know mean is equals to what? Mean is equals to sigma fi into xi upon sigma fi. Mean is already given to us. How much is that? Rupees 18. We need fi into xi. So first of all we have fi, but do we have xi? No. If you remember, xi was the class mark. We call it mid value of the class or midpoint. So our next column will be of the class mark. Easily you can see 11 and 13. Which is the mid value? Between 11 and between 13, what does it come? What does come? 12. Between 13 and 15? 14. Between 15 and 17? 16. Between 17 and 19? 18. So mid values are given to us 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. I hope there is no issues. We have calculated also upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. 11 plus 13, 24, 24 by 2. So next column will be fi into xi. Fi into xi. All of us know how to multiply. 12 sevens are 84. Yes. 6 14s are 84. Fi is there and xi is there. 9 16s are, so 9 6 are 54. Carry 5. 9 ones are 9 and 5, 14. 13 18s are, you should know the table of 13. 13 8s are, how much? 13 8s are. If you do not know, do the multiplication. Don't make a mistake. Please. Once a mistake done, it will not be found out. 8 3s are 24. Carry 2. 8 1s are 8 and 2 10. 1 3s are 3. 1 1s are 1. 4 3 1. 134. Clear? F into 20. 20f. Not 20 plus f. 5 into 22, 110, and 4 into 24, 4 4s are 16, carry 1 4, 2s are 8 and 1 9. Can you see that? Clear? Any confusion? I hope not. Now you can see this 20f, rest all are constants. But this is a variable, so I'm writing it a bit separately over here, not in the line of this. Why? I need to find sigma fi into xi. So these all are constants, they will be added, but this is a variable, so it will be added separately. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 and 4 8, 8 and 4 12, 12 and 4 16, 16 and 6 22, carry 2. 8 into 10, 10 and 8, 18, 18 and 4, 22, 22 and 3, 25, 25 and 10, 35, carry 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes or no? Sorry, this is 234. Can you see the multiplication? 234. So this becomes 752. And what about this 20f? This will be separate. 20f. Understood? We are adding. We need sigma fi xi. Then we need sigma fi, that is the sum of the frequency, total number of children. Sigma fi. 7 and 6, 13. 13 plus 13, 26. 26 plus 4, 30. 30 plus 5, 35. 35 plus 9, 44 plus, will this f be written as this or it will be written as 44f? It will be written as 44 plus f. Clear? So we have all the quantities. Substitute them. Mean rupees 18, or I will substitute over here now. So mean 18 is equals to sigma fi xi 752 plus 20f upon sigma fi 44 plus f. Clear? Correct? Multiply, cross multiply. 18 multiplied by 44 plus f is equals to 752 plus 20f. 18 into 44, 792 plus 18 into f, 18f is equals to 752 plus 20f. We need to find f. Bring 752 over here, 18f that side. So 792 minus 752 is equals to 20f minus 18f. 792 minus 752, 40 is equals to 20 minus 18, 2f. So therefore 40 upon 2 is equals to f. 2 is in multiplication, goes in division. So therefore 20 is equals to f. Any confusion? Simple calculation. You have to keep in mind all these things. Clear? And as you saw, one simple multiplication mistake can make everything wrong. I hope. Missing frequency, only one question is there. For mean, when I give you questions in the document section, you will find more questions. One more question is there of the same kind, but it is in median. We come down to exercise 14.3. I am talking about page number 287, question number 2. Page number 287, question number 2. I hope this question is clear to you all. Correct? Please ensure that you do this question in your notebooks. There will be other questions also. Now we come down to exercise 14.3. It is about median. Read it carefully. Page number 270. Page number 287, sorry. Question number 2. It is also, you can find two frequencies missing over there. Can you see that? X and Y. But there, instead of mean, median is given. He says, calculate the, if the median of the distribution given below is 28.5, find the values of X and Y. That is exercise 14.3. 14.3, question number 2. Class interval is given to us and frequency is given to us. Class interval and frequency. Yes or no? Class interval is given to us from 0 to 10 till 60. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. And the frequency, if you take a look, is given to you as 5x20, 5x20, 15y and 5. 15y and 5. And the total frequency is also given to you. Can you see that? In the last, the total is given to you how much? 60. Total of this frequency is given to us as how much? 60. So what are the quantities given to us? First of all, total frequency. Total frequency, that is N we call, or we call it sigma Fi, that is how much? 60. And the median of the data is also given to us. Median is 28.5. So remember or recall the median formula. Two things were there, mode and median. Let me write down the formula. Then we will be able to identify, sir, what was it, if you remember. Median is equals to L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Remember? So that means in median we need to find what? CF, cumulative frequency. So the first column that we are going to make is of cumulative frequency. And let us come back to cumulative frequency. We have done cumulative frequency is successive addition of the frequencies. So add them, 5 as it is. Then we are adding x. So will it be 5x or 5 plus x? It will be 5 plus x. We are adding, we are not multiplying. Then 5 plus x plus 20. So 5 and 20, 25 plus x. 25 plus x plus 15. So 25 and 15, 40 plus x. 40 plus x plus y. So 40 plus x plus y. And 40 plus 5, 45 plus x plus y. Clear? And I told you while doing median that the last term of the cumulative frequency is equal to the total frequency. Sigma Fi we call, N we call, is equal to the total. And how much is the total according to the question? 60 given to us. We called? Correct? Now we come down. 28.5 median. Sir, the first thing in calculation of median was median class. But the class, do we need? It's already there. Median is 28.5. Where does 28.5 lie over here? Can't we see that? 28.5 lies between 20 and 30. Which is our median class? 20 to 30. Isn't it? Our median class is 20 to 30. Why? Because median 28.5 is given to us. So therefore, median class is equals to 20 to 30. Now everything is clear. L, N, C, F, F. So therefore, L, lower limit of median class. Lower limit of median class. This is lower and this is upper. So lower limit 20. Then H, class size. What are the class sizes? 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. Is it a 10? Class size 10. Then N. N means total frequency. Sigma Fi already given to us in the question. 60. Then F. Remember, frequency of median class. My median class was 20 to 30. So my frequency F is how much? 20. And then CF, cumulative frequency of the preceding median class. So this is our median class. The cumulative frequency of the class before that, that is 5 plus x. All these things were given, discussed in the last lecture, calculation of median. Everything was discussed. What is L, N, CF, F, H. Substitute the values in the formula. So therefore, median 28.5 already given to us in the question is equals to L 20 plus N by 2 60 by 2 minus CF 5 plus x upon F 20 into H 10. Now here is the first mistake we make. What mistake? I am giving you the mistakes that we make. Can you see this CF is binomial term 5 plus x, and outside it is having a minus sign. So this 5 plus x should be in bracket. This is the mistake we made. Transpose plus 20 comes over here, minus 20. 28.5 minus 20 is equals to 60 upon 2, 30. Minus into plus, minus, minus into plus, minus upon 20 into 10. So 0 and 0 cancel because it is a multiplication. 28.5 minus 20, 8.5. 2 is in division, goes into multiplication. 30 minus 5, 25 minus x. 1 multiplied by 25 minus x. 8.5 into 2, 17. Plus 25 comes over here. Minus 25 is equals to minus x. 17 minus 25 minus 8 is equals to minus x. Minus and minus cancel. So 8 is equals to x. Simple. If we would have not taken care of this, my question would have been something else. Yes, but the question arises that this is x. Where is y? How to get y? How to get y? So come back over here. Come back. Total frequency was given to us how much? 60. And we know the last term of the cumulative frequency is equal to the total. You can check over here. 5 plus 12, 25. 25 plus 15. 25 plus 15, 40. 40 plus 5, 45. Plus x plus y is equals to how much? 60. So we come back over here and sigma fi or n is equals to 60 given to us, but according to us sigma fi, the total of all this is coming down to be what? 45 plus x plus y is equals to 60. Can you see that? Do you have the value of x? Substitute it. 45 plus 8 plus y is equals to 60. 45 plus 8, 53 plus 53 goes over here. So y is equals to 60 minus 53. So therefore y is equals to 7. Correct? I hope it is clear. Students, these questions are important. They were asked in board exam. These two questions are given to you. Please practice these questions. There is one example also given to you in your exercise. When you check your document section today, you will find more of these kind of questions. Correct? If I talk about question number page number 284, example number 8. Page number 284, example number 8. Okay, please practice this as well. Please do it again. Thank you.